I'm Amanda Owls with the Coley Group of Compass, and today I want to show you a property that is nestled in a gated community with over 10 acres. It's perfect for a little hobby farm or whatever it is that you need for a quiet, tranquil retreat. Inside, you'll find a separate dining space, a well-appointed gourmet kitchen, and a comfortable living room complete with a wood-burning fireplace. Upstairs, you can enjoy 3 additional bedrooms, a laundry room, and a spacious bonus room. The outdoor space is the biggest draw to this property, including a screened porch and a large deck perfect for relaxing. A new barn with 4 horse stalls is also included. While the 10 acres of land is the main attraction, the house was made to last, with a sealed and conditioned crawl space and 2x6 construction. Don't miss this opportunity to own a unique property. Reach out to us today for your own private tour.